In primetime news this evening, stay away. Non-essential workers told to work from home in bid to contain COVID-19 spread. What's the impact? Psychiatrist outlines how quarantine could affect people. Intensify testing. The WHO calls on countries to step up efforts to identify people with COVID-19. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
So the Vendors Association wants the Minister of Industry and Commerce to play a greater role in helping to keep prices stable. I'll have more later on in the business day.
All right, thanks Vashon. From Vashon we go to Jordan, who tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, we're continuing to track the impact of COVID-19 on sports. And tonight, we have an exclusive with two of the nation's top athletes who are now in self-isolation. You won't want to miss what they had to say in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the government's announcement for non-essential workers to stay at home for at least 7 days to help contain the spread of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after the break.